Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kind of stressing right now just because I am trying to pack for the place I'm going. I'm just gonna tell y'all I'm going to New York City and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be there for 3 days and I need 3 outfits plus the 2 days that I'll be traveling, because the day that I'm leaving, I need an outfit because I obviously have to bring it back, and then an outfit for the airport on the way home. So, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, one. Sorry about the repeat intro. I'm just popping in at the start of the video just to say I'm so sorry. I was actually not able to vlog at all in New York because I ended up getting really sick in New York. Not like sick to where I couldn't go out because I was still able to walk around and stuff, but I just couldn't vlog, and that's just that. And I am sorry about that because I really was excited to vlog, but I knew if I wanted to enjoy my trip, I was gonna have to take time to not vlog. So there's that. This is the packing video. This video is just crazy. But yeah, also listen to my new song. It's out now. It's called The Male Siren. It's nothing like I've really done before, but anyways, not talking about that. Let's get into packing for New York. I only have one backpack that I can bring, which is really annoying. I'm not gonna lie, so I'm gonna have to layer. And I'm gonna just show y'all the outfits I'm gonna be wearing and stuff. So I'm just gonna show y'all the first outfit. Okay, so I have this matching set right here with just a white shirt. I think I'm gonna wear that to the airport with that crew neck under the shirt, but this is a whole separate outfit in itself. And then there is this coat and shirt, and I was gonna wear that coat also with those jeans. I was gonna wear those jeans twice because, girl, I can only pack like one pair of jeans. Like, I cannot be packing 2 pairs of jeans with one backpack. Like, guys, mission 1, trying to get this damn coat on the backpack. But you guys, I'm so excited to vlog for New York City for a whole week, basically. I'm just so excited. I don't know. The only reason why I'm not layering this is because I'm making this so difficult for myself. This is just so confusing because I want to bring this jacket, but I also want to bring the set that I have. But I don't even know if it's just going to be worth it at all. Okay, I think I'm going to do the crew neck, the pair of jeans. Then I'm going to do this, a white shirt, and then a different white shirt, and I guess wear the same outfit essentially for 2 days, but, you know, different, like, obviously underwear, different socks, different shirt. But I'm just wearing the same jeans twice and then the jacket twice, so I can save a day, you know? And yeah, I know there's people out there that think it's disgusting to rewear jeans. Girl, please grow up. It is not disgusting to rewear jeans. I know I'm going to be in the city, but I can rewear jeans for at least a day, okay? I can wear them for 2 days, okay? I used to rewear my jeans, like, for, like, 4 days. Okay, I used to. And they'd be fine. Then I'd wash them. They weren't literally dirty, you know? And if they were more dirty than the other days, like, then I'd wash them, you know? Anyways, I don't even know why I have to explain this. Anywho, just fold this up because I think I'm just gonna pack this and wear something else to the airport. This is so difficult. Like, girl, I can easily pack my stuff with a suitcase, girl. Like, even a small suitcase, but a little ass school bag? Oh, girl. It's okay. I've done it before. I can do it again. I was gonna try to do cute outfits so I can at least take, like, you know, Instagram pictures, but that ain't gonna happen, girl. That's not gonna happen. I'm gonna pack these jeans because I sure as hell am not wearing jeans on the plane. No thank you. Been there, done that. We'll never be doing it again. 0 out of 10 recommend. You definitely should not be doing that. I'm gonna pack this white shirt for the day one of the days that I wear my coat and jeans. Gonna fold her up real good. Yes, it is flat enough, okay? It's good, okay? I promise. Then we have the other shirt, which I'm also just gonna put in here. Okay, so that's 3. I have my crew neck, my 2 shirts. So that's 3 of the 3 days I'm gonna be out in the city. Okay. I also have my jeans in there, which is I'm gonna be wearing for 2 days. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna bring these long Nike Pros just so I can wear them under, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking and it's gonna be annoying. So that is something I'm bringing. Packed all my underwear and socks and that stuff. I'm gonna wear this set to the airport and then wear it the next day because we're leaving in the afternoon. So once we're done with the 3-hour plane ride, we get to the hotel probably about an hour. That's 4 hours in this. I can wear it for the next day with new underwear and socks and stuff, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. So I'm just gonna wear this to the airport. So that'll be good. It's also a zip up hoodie, so it's not I'm gonna have a white shirt under it, so that'll be good. I'm actually figuring this out really good. Thank God. Okay. So I think I'm gonna have to fit this big jacket in my bag. Or worst case scenario, I could just carry it. And you're probably like, damn, you bring in 2 jackets. Yes, I'm bringing 2 because I'm a whole ass diva. I have to look cute. The outfit has to be cute. If I don't bring that set, it's not gonna be cute. If I wear just this with them pants, it's not gonna match. And I just can't do that. Everything has to be matching for me, to be honest. And we got it fit. Thank God. Yo, I'm gonna bring these classics. I'm gonna clean them before I go, but these are gonna be good. They match everything I'm wearing, so. Okay, now that the whole clothing situation is done, thank God, I'm going to show you guys all the skincare and just makeup stuff, hygiene. I'm gonna be packing, my mom was already packing shampoo, conditioner, and lotion and that stuff. So I'm good on that. I'm gonna be bringing this for my face and probably just be using it for my body too. Damn, y'all are really gonna think I'm nasty in this video. I promise, I'm not nasty. I just make it work, But honestly, I'm probably just gonna, I'm probably just gonna be using this for my face anyways because we're literally gonna have body wash, so yeah. Bringing this e.l.f. Jelly Pop makeup remover. I can't bring anything that's more than 3 ounces, and this is only 1 ounce, so everything is checked, so. I can't bring a toner because I literally don't have any toner that's under 3 ounces, so we're gonna skip on her for a little bit. But I'm gonna be bringing my Rhode glazing fluid, and I'm gonna be bringing this snail peptide serum. So these are the serums I'm bringing, and these are the moisturizers I'm bringing. Just bringing my sunscreen and my Rhode barrier cream for day and night. Okay, y'all, then we got my dusty trusty Lancome makeup bag. I actually really love this makeup bag. It's such a good size. Anywho, I'm gonna bring the Power Grip primer, some foundation, the Born This Way foundation. I just got this, if y'all saw my video. My Rare Beauty Luminous Glow. Oh, I almost forgot my concealers, my Rem Beauty concealers. Contour. NARS blush and NARS pressed powder. And then a loose powder. Y'all, I know I'm extra with my makeup, but just, girl, I'm just extra with it. My bronzer. A little powder puff, and then I'm gonna grab my beauty blender, some mascara. I'm gonna grab some more stuff. Okay, I got my clear eyebrow gel. I got my Benefit mascara, tried and true. I have my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and I have 2 different lip liners and then a gloss. Okay, I'm gonna bring my lashes too with my lash glue. And I'm actually, for fragrance, I'm going to be bringing Sweet Tooth, a little travel. Okay, then I also have these brushes. I use this for concealer, this for foundation, powder, and then blush. And then I can blend the rest with my beauty blender. I'm also going to bring this for faux freckles. And I'm going to show you guys a palette I'm bringing. I'm bringing just a small palette, nothing crazy. Always travel with my Rem Beauty Baby Doll palette. It's just perfect travel. So I'm gonna be bringing that. And that sums it up for makeup. I don't have a travel size setting spray, so we're gonna have to go easy on the powder. And matter of fact, I'm actually not gonna bring this because I always need setting spray when I use this, so I'm not gonna use this, but the rest, we're all set, to be honest, with makeup. Guys, I officially have all my stuff ready. I know this is kind of a chaotic pack with me, but I love doing these every time I leave. I hope you guys enjoyed this little pack with me, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the New York vlog. So, in the meantime, I'll be posting these videos and vlogging, and can't wait for you guys to see. Bye.